just got my first order of UV DTF transfers and I'm super excited to start this project. Now I love ordering this stuff from Ninja Transfers because it's always a good quality and it always arrives really fast. Oh, and I even got a squeegee with this order. How awesome is that? And their packaging is just super cool. I'm so excited because I've never worked with this material before. Each of their orders comes with some stickers, and this comes with a QR code so that it gives you instructions on how to properly do this. And I even got a coupon code for ordering patches. I love that they use heat tape as just their normal tape. All right. Oh, upside down. How awesome is this? I'm not doing a great job of doing it justice, but here are some of the designs we've got. So I did a mix of designs that I made and ones that other people made. So like we have my soda pop designs here, right? I got my hang loose. We got my slay all day design. And I even recreated the Binford logo because I thought it'd be really fun to put those on some Lowe's toolboxes. The one I'm most excited about is for my Libbey glass can design, which says Merry and Bright. And I'll have a link to the design down below for if you want to follow along and do this. All right, so I'm just gonna clean up my glass here. That way it's all nice and clean for when we go to apply our UV DTF sticker. We want no fingerprints. I want to just check that this is the right size that I made. And honestly, that looks pretty close to perfect. All right. And so now I think what I need to do is just squeegee the back of this design here. And then I think I want to peel away this backing part. And then for this, I'm going to just pull down at an angle in case something wants to stick to the carrier sheet. All right. I do regret taking that full thing off because I think I should have done just a little bit at a time, but I'm gonna just go for it. Oh geez. And then I'm gonna just lightly push in the middle here. And then let's pick this up. And so I'm just gonna gently, kind of slowly push it down, just nice and gentle. And then this is just slightly oversized, so I can just trim it up. That's looking pretty good. And so now I'm gonna just go over this with my squeegee that they so graciously provided. And then we can slowly peel this back, very slowly. And again, we're going down and at an angle and slow. Because if you go too fast, then you won't know if a piece is gonna come up or not. Let me just say too, when these are on, like these things are on. Like it's gonna be very hard to get this off. And I just ripped it because I went too fast. I got too excited at the end there. But it's all right because I think what I can do is I think I can fix it. And there you go. You can barely tell. In all honesty though, that looks so good. I am super happy with how this turned out. And this is just a super quick project. This is perfect for last minute gifts if you need them. Just make sure you go nice and slow. That way you don't have the little mishap like I had. But honestly, this is so cool. And I think I'm hooked on UV DTF stickers because this thing looks freaking awesome. All right, guys. Well, how awesome does this look? I highly recommend you give this a try. It's super cheap, low cost to do these kind of crafts. And you can easily start a business using this method. You can honestly start a cup business for under $100 doing it this way. These stickers are going to last a heck of a long time, because I was trying to pick some of them up and I couldn't even do it. Make sure you head over to Ninja Transfers to check it out because they make super quality transfers. But I love it. Let me know if you guys are going to make one down below. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya!